welcome to this accessory tutorial. I love World of Warcraft, even though I started playing it very late. Cataclysm. It's like an own world of potential cosplays and I don't even know where to start. Well, perhaps at the beginning. Orcs. I wanted to make something that I've never done before, and prosthetics is exactly that sort of thing. So, in this video I will show you how to make orc tusks perfectly fitted for you. Let's go! First up, I used polymorph pearls to make the base for the teeth. I put a few of the pearls in very hot water and waited until they turned transparent. Then I incorporated some red food coloring to color the plastic pink. You'll need food coloring as this piece will be inside your mouth, so it's necessary to use non-toxic materials. Also note to use the kind made of powder, as the liquid ones will not incorporate well with the plastic. Now the plastic will harden quickly, so reheat it regularly to keep it moldable. When you're ready, make it very thin and lay it over your teeth to make a piece you can insert and remove as you like. Let it cool completely and dry it before cutting off any excess plastic to make it look smoother. Make sure to have smooth edges so you don't cut your mouth on the plastic. Now to the tusks. Same procedure with the plastic, but this time there's no need to color it. Shape the tusks and reheat in the hot water if needed. Mold the tusks as you like, and don't forget to make a little hole if you want to put piercings in it after. Once you have all the tusks, we're off to assembly. Use heat again to soften the parts you want to attach. Then wear the prosthetics while you work, so the shape stays the same and to better see where the tusks need to go. Also make sure to make some texture lines to resemble real tusks by using a simple tool like a toothpick. The raw prosthetic is now finished, but it still needs some detailing. For the piercings, I'm using a few small pieces of black warbler. Using a heat gun, I'm heating and shaping it into the shape I want and placing it on the tusks. You can lightly heat the prosthetic with the heat gun so it will glue on better. For the paint job, I took a very small paintbrush and mixed a gray color to paint the piercings. Make sure to avoid the tusks and let it dry completely. For the metallic look, I used some Rub and Buff metal wax. To color the tusks, I used liquid food coloring. I went over with yellow and dried it off with some paper towels. Then I used black to fill in the cracks and dried it off as well. To finish the prosthetic, I painted it with a top coat of clear nail polish, but only on the tusks, not on the part that touches your teeth. Then let that dry completely before use. And by the horde, you now have the perfect accessory for any orc cosplay. It's easy to remove and insert so you can actually eat during conventions. And, well, it looks badass. I hope you liked this video. For more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little notifications bell. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to support my work, you can always get me a cup of coffee. All links are in the description below. Bye bye!